Good morning, guys. What up? This is Phon-Er, Ari Gold, representing to you live, broadcasting from LA, California. We are doing our vlog 8, and we're heading out right now to North Hollywood, Extraction 6S, Rose Gold. Beautiful day outside, full of good energy. Love it, loving it, and it's just amazing how our weather is just always super awesome. And a lot of people are jelly because of the fact that our weather is super awesome. And I mean, even though we had a few bad days in the past 2 months of like just unsteady weather thing, but I think that's going on everywhere due to the climate change and stuff. But don't let the weather get to you, because it should always be setting your mind and in your focus and in your day. So always like follow the positivity instead of the negativity, and don't let the negativity like stick his little head and get you. That's that. So yeah. So and we also did. I woke up last night. I slept at. I posted at 10 because I was super exhausted, having the most craziest day ever, and having so many jobs on top of each other stacked up. I was doing some stacks. I would put the song Rack City, Rack City, you know, so it's just like everything's racking up. Big time. And so yesterday we slept. I slept at 10. I closed at 10, and then woke up at 2. 4 hours of sleep. I was okay. I think I'm good. Then I was just checking out some stuff on YouTube, and I did a few edits. And then I went to sleep at 4, and then I woke up again today at 10. Which is kind of crazy. I'm sleeping at 4 and waking up at 10, and then I just had a crazy hour of sleep, and so I'm balanced, but I'm not like I'm not used to this. Still wide, which is a good thing. As you can see, I'm not too wide. And so that was my last night. And then, so this morning I wake up to a call from a customer because my ringer is always on because I'm playing for hours, and my iPhone is always on, so it always vibrates me or rings and wake me up when text comes or call. So I wake up to a customer that wanted his phone fixed right away, so I jumped in the shower at 30 miles an hour. I didn't have time to set up the GoPro yet because it was not on its tripod, and I'm still like getting the hang of the blocking and I kind of have to find a way to go from car to tripod to car. They're having to unscrew and screw the GoPro little knob, kind of like have to turn to kind of fix the camera, the car, and things up. Yeah. So, but I'm buying the Joby this week, so I should have that. But I'm still not sure how that's gonna help me as far as the car. But it's gonna be easier to use and carry around and kind of do like a selfie, and also put it anywhere. I know I have that already. GoPro. I have the whole backpack brand, the accessory thing, GoPro, but it's not the same as the little spider thingy. Kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. Yeah. So, and plus it can be used on the camera as well. So it's a good investment. So yeah. So now it's my second job of the day. I'm going to North Hollywood, like I said earlier, to the 6S Rose Gold white screen. It's a friend's phone. It's a friend's neighbor's phone. I'm actually doing so. Yeah, guys, that's me. That's my morning. It's going pretty well so far, and I'm super happy, super psyched, super blessed, super excited. And this is 9-1. So fantastic. So 791. There it is, A out of repair. Let me fix my guy. What up, brother?
Let's go.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Just we're gonna park the Lexus. I mean, it's gonna be like 15 minutes anyways. I'm gonna kill that thing. Yeah, bro. Just yesterday I had a stressful day, but today's good. I had a bad day. Well, I fixed something. So here I'm in AA Auto Body. You can see in Hollywood, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. This is the job I'm doing. Yeah, dude, what is that? Look. Oh, can I open up with a good tripod? Cool, eh? Now I can record everything I'm doing here. It's cool. Hey guys,
it's like right on there.
Oh, I mean, I'm like just going by. It's not really. Yeah, it's not really for like. I'm not really trying to show like how to do it. I'm showing my experience, you know. So just because I'm like you with me, right? Hopefully you are. Okay. Alright, brother. I'll be down soon. Hey. So we took this off. Here's the old screen. The LCD was cracked too. It's really bad. Really bad. And so we recycle this just for the parts, just so I can get recycled, but we're gonna save the screen. So okay, so we just put this back. We just got this on right now, and we got the button in. Sounds like that. There it is. Take a picture. But this is the before and the after you already saw. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being my company when I'm doing this thing. I'm not alone. It's really fun. That's the beast.
Phon-Er, emergency repair.
Yep, and you're wearing my colors, red. Jordy. Okay, we have to give change to this. My boy. Oh man. I have a hungry and a 10, bro. But not gonna, bro. I'll give you 10 and then I'll give you 10 on my way back here. I'm gonna go right now. Do this, okay? Okay. Tell him that I owe him 90 bucks. 90 bucks. 10 bucks. I'll be losing money right now. Okay guys, we just finished there. Now we are going to pick up the part. It's still the same part that I've done. I mean, it's the iPhone 7 Plus part I've been dealing with. So we have to get that out of the way, pretty much. iPhone 7 Plus. I was so fortunate that my repair shop was really like. My repair job was right next to my repair shop. My vendor. He was awesome because that kind of saved me a lot of driving, and I can then go to my downtown job and get out of the way finally. That's the 7 Plus that I've been dealing with yesterday because there was some mishaps. I put a new screen on, and then that screen wasn't quality because it was a different quality screen. That was the one they had, and now I'm buying the highest quality screen because that's the only screen that they have, and that's much that he'll take care of me, like the difference, because like literally the Apple original screen. It's not even one low down. It's just full like the best screen ever. Let's see, we're parked in here. Medium. Hey guys. Here's my vendor. Your song parts. Maybe they don't like me to record them, so I'm gonna put it on my thing as well. Hey kids, how are you? Hey Josh, how are you? Bon appetit, sir. Bon appetit for Mr. Joshy. Guys, can you imagine? I'm still there with the same customer.
I know, when I saw your order, I'm like, God damn it, Ron, did you break it?
No! He said, he's a really nice guy. He's like, it's 99% good, but 1% is not good, and that's a really big issue because we want to be 100% all the time. He's like a super cool guy.
Oh, okay.
But he's like a CEO of a company, so he wants to be everything perfect, like his OCD, which I don't blame him. I'm the same way.
That's the way it is.
And I think I have a thing, right?
Not yet. I remember our RMA guy was here, so he's
But you said tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, he's barely getting started. We're behind. Hold on.
Because then I keep like pouring in more credit, you know? Hey, how are you, brother? I know you. You're an RMA guy. And then, no, it's not even that. You know, it's also like I noticed, like, I mean, I'm not trying to say that you are, but I keep putting more money in, and then I have so many credit. I end up buying shit I don't even need.
No, exactly. So I know you.
Even though I love you guys because the money is well spent, but you know, there's times I'm like, especially on this one, I already like paid so much money. I feel like I invested like almost like a 7+ price on the screen by paying.
Yeah,
so,
of course. No, I understand.
Awesome.
Okay, yeah, so we'll worry about that another day.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna probably be here tomorrow. I mean, for another.
I know you're here every day.
By Friday. I don't want to come back for this again. Okay.
All right, Mr. B.
All right.
Have a great day.
R.I.P.
Okay.
Thanks, Josh. See ya. I literally had her on a V at the end because she's super talented, shiny. She's super awesome, and she's just an awesome person. But yeah, so that's that. I'm just we're doing that right now. So we got the phone, the 7+ screen, and thirsty. And so it's just 7+. The cost of it is super expensive. Look at that. It is $174.39. That's crazy. I mean, and that's me, around Lithuanian. My alias name is already Gold. That's my friends call me because I have the same ambition. So it's kind of by popularity. How I got that name. It's not really a birth name, but yeah. So here it is. Today's date, 3rd of May, and we are gonna go and fix that phone right now downtown. So here we are. We're going. Like the Energizer Bunny. We are energized because energy is the only way that I can survive in this business, because you just have to let energy override all the negatives off, kind of like a write-off with energy, like your taxes, but not really. I guess I'm just gonna let you guys go, and I'll be right back when I do the iPhone 7+ repair. This time I'm gonna try to put everything on record. I'll just check out the vibe. I'll keep my camera in my bag in case it's cool about everything. So, and it's full of recording, or that's what I meant. And I'll just take it from there. Now we're just driving and around the road to downtown. I'm gonna let you guys go for a sec so I can take them and say that I'm on the way, and I will let you know. I will be back when I arrive at the valley. And you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Cut. Guys, I'm back here, and I'm gonna do the iPhone 7 Plus again. My GoPro died, so I put it on the iPhone. I think my customer is here, so I gotta go, but I'll be right back. Thanks. Hey guys, just earlier, this is the phone that I just put on, the new, the PQ, the HQ has quality Apple original. And here's the old one. Just put in this bag. I mean, he's working fine. He was saying that the Force Touch wasn't working, so I'm like, okay, no problem. So we're almost done with the 7 Plus. Just put everything back. We're putting the last screws that we forgot last time. That's the reason why I opened the phone up again, and I was impatient, so it kind of broke. But so we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna be able to, so we're gonna just need to put that, and then we'll be done. The 7 Plus. That's what we were missing last time. That we had to open the phone up, and during the opening, like while I was opening this, I think I kind of pulled it up a little too hard, and right here. Cables right here. Those cables, one of them, the short one, just cut off. I'll put that on the camera later, so you guys can see. I'll put that on bead. Cool. So let's see, and I will be right back with the final project. Install. Bead turned on. All looks good. This is the highest quality install. And then before we close this, we're gonna put those on that we forgot last time, and that's what I think things happened. Okay. Looks great. Perfect. And let's close it up. I don't have my tripod on me, but well, soon my memory was full on my GoPro. All good. Hey guys, so the phone is done now. I'm just walking to grab up the phone to him. He's at this place called Magnolia Farm or something. It's like a restaurant.
900 feet, the destination
Walking there right
is on
now.
your left. Mendocino Farms.
It's called it's called Mendocino Farms. It's 840 feet away from me. I'm walking there right now. Downtown. I guess it is downstairs. You guys all good? We got on our way to our valet car at the water tower building. We're good to go. We're on the clear. He was super happy. He said he'll call me when he expects it again, and he was super thankful. So, and I was grateful. Like, thank you. So you see, everyone was happy, and that's how we do business at Phon-Er. We never let a customer be not very satisfied. He always has to be 100% satisfaction. Otherwise, we just refund you the full money and say we couldn't help you, but we can because we do help you no matter what. So, but we definitely go up above and beyond. So. Therefore, you know what we do. Up now. And I'm here at the valley. At the water that's my valley guy. Get my card. Get my keys. Here, brother. Thanks. Thank you, sir. Wait for the car now. Waiting for the car. My car is going to our vendor to drop drop off the other screen that was defective to get credit for it in the next few days, just so next time we need a screen, we don't have to buy one. Hey guys, just dropped out the screens, the defective ones, and as you saw, and so now we're heading back to Los Feliz Village, where we would just have some food. Watching, and alright, gold Phon-Er, I'm out. Cut.